we're gonna go to Seattle. We have to wake up at like, I think we're leaving around 3:30. It's gonna be a long con. Second floor. Finished the booth. Oh my god. It took forever to finish. But here we go. Wow. We're gonna go eat oysters now. I'm so excited.
And one goes down. So it's like 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, right, 2 of each, yes. Perfect.
Day 2. I'm gonna get breakfast. Let's just get this. Today is day 2. And I'm already so tired. Sorry I haven't been vlogging that much. I think I'm getting sick. It's a 4-day con, so it's much longer than what I'm used to. I've done 3-day cons and 2-day cons, but never a 4-day. So today feels super duper long. So I got a little bit of a break, so I'm gonna go check out Artist Alley and see what they have.
My dream is to travel our country in the world. So.
Finished day. What day is it? Day 3. I'm so tired. Today's only Saturday, and we have one more day left, which is Sunday. So we're just gonna go get dinner right now. And we're eating Japanese and Hawaiian fusion. So I'm kind of excited for it.
Yo, people of Just Susie's clan, like, follow, and subscribe.
Thank you.
This is so messy.
Thank you.
Love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss ya. With my new bitty, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my dick.
Day 4, the last day.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Put a dress on today, I don't care what you say.
The chart was sold out.
Really?
Yeah.
mesdames et messieurs, nous souhaitons le bienvenue à Calgary. Il est présentement 13h moins quart, heure locale. Nous vous prions de rester assis à votre ceinture de sécurité unique. Avant de quitter l'appareil, veuillez vous assurer d'avoir en votre possession tous vos appareils électroniques. Vous pouvez vérifier